So your money comes faster and finishes faster. Anytime you receive your salary, you just finish it instantly. You start paying off people and you don't even pay yourself. You pay people first, and before you realize all your money is done. Your lifestyle adjusts instantly when money lands. As soon as you get paid, you upgrade your phone, outfit, new clothing, new shoe, new wardrobe, everything new. Even your girlfriend you upgrade. So this is how you reward yourself before you reward your future. Rome was not built in a day, but some people, the moment they start the business and they start making profit, they think they have hit the jackpot, so they will start spending the profit instead of investing the profit. You know what I'm saying? You don't really have a budget. You just calculate in your own head. You think, oh, you are tracking your money, but by the end of the month, you are not able to track your money. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't even know what I use my money for. Oh, my money is gone. Oh, my money is vanished. That's the sound of money leaking. So some people confuse income with success. You know what I'm saying? So they start to make money from their work and they see themselves as rich. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But that is not rich, because your money is not working for you. Your money have to work for you. And when your money is working for you, you have to create a multiple streams of income. Understand? So you can disappear for 3 months. You can sleep and still learn and still earn money. That is when you are making money. That is when the success is coming. Yeah. You cannot. Yeah, it's just a waste of time. So this is some of the waste of time we are talking about, you know. Yeah. So some people, a waste of time. Everything you plan together is a waste of time. You know what I'm saying? So these are some of the financial mistakes you can make. You don't invest in people who gonna waste your time. You know what I'm saying? Ways you know that you are making money and losing it. Find a solution to it. Make sure you track your finances, savings, and everything. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This is your man, Lord M.A. I be able to say that one time for my people. I'll see you in the next video. Bless.